Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to install VirtualBox on your Windows operating system. VirtualBox is one of the best tools in the market to build your own lab environment on your laptop or even desktop. We will be performing 3 tasks in this video. Task 1 is to download VirtualBox and VM extension pack, and task 2 is to install VirtualBox on your Windows operating system, and task 3 is to install VB extension pack. If you come to the task 1, we will do 3 steps. Okay, first we will visit VirtualBox website and download the VirtualBox tool and download the VirtualBox extension pack. Let me open my Google Chrome to download the VirtualBox. Let me visit virtualbox.org and click on download VirtualBox 6.1. By the time you see this video, maybe you will find a different version, so no need to worry, it is going to be the same process. Let me click on download for Windows. So it has actually downloaded, and now let us go ahead and download the VB extension pack. You can download the VB extension pack for all the platforms. It can be including Windows, Linux or Macintosh. Now we are done with the downloads. Let's go ahead and install the VirtualBox. Ensure that you have admin privileges during the installation. Let's go to our download folder to install the VirtualBox. Double tap on the VirtualBox application and click on next. No need to do any custom setup, just click on next. Let the shortcut be there. Click on yes, install. Click on install. And click on finish. It will go ahead and start the VirtualBox. Now we have successfully installed VirtualBox. It's time to install the VirtualBox extension pack. And for installing the VirtualBox extension pack, you need to ensure that you have admin privileges. Double tap on the VirtualBox extension and it will ask you to install the software. Click on install, accept the VirtualBox license agreement and click on I agree. So VirtualBox extension is successfully installed. That's it for this video. In this video, we have downloaded the VirtualBox and VirtualBox extension pack, install the VirtualBox and install the VirtualBox extension pack. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and share the video with your friends.